Transform it!
It's beautiful.
That's a signal. That's a signal. This is it, girls. Get ready to roll.
It's stuck!
That was amazing! How did they do that? I have no idea where she went.
Thank you. Thank you, thank you.
Wait! Where is she?
I'm sorry, a magician never reveals his secrets.
That's very true, Hoppy. I mean, where would the mystery be if we all knew how...
Oh, shut up.
You can do it! You've got to make it work!
Hey!
Round them all
I
up.
said, where is she?
Here we go! You gotta be kidding! This is going to be too easy.
Bird, it's a bird! This is the part where you run away! Take it out of there! Don't let it get me! Don't let it get me! Help me! Boysenberry!
Huh? Ah! No, 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 no!
Oh, the pain!
There goes my magic act! Flaming dead!
No, PT!
Directed it 50 pounds!
Look out! Here comes!
Watch out! You're gonna crash!
Ouch! You're gonna feel that in the morning. Okay, everyone out! Hurry!
We're stuck. Anyone seen Doc?